Today I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in a LiftMaster 373P remote. Before you start, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, two CR2016 batteries, one CR2450 battery, and some kind of small, flat pusher. I'll be using a pen cap. To start, remove the visor clip from the back of the remote. Next, flip the remote over and locate the two Phillips screws on the back of the unit. Carefully unscrew both screws and put them somewhere safe so you don't lose them. Once the screws are out, remove the back cover. Inside, you will see the circuit board. Carefully lift the circuit board out of the remote housing. Flip it over and you will see the batteries right away. Now take your pen cap or any other small flat pusher and gently push the old batteries out of the battery compartments. Next, start with the larger CR2450 battery. Make sure the positive side is facing up, then slide it in until it sits firmly in place. Next, two smaller CR2016 batteries. These batteries sit stacked together, so when you replace them, place the two new CR2016 batteries together like a sandwich, with the correct side facing up. Slide them into the battery compartment until they are seated properly. Once all the new batteries are installed, you can start reassembling the remote. Place the circuit board back into the remote housing. Make sure it sits flat and lines up properly. Then, put the back cover back on. Reinstall the two Phillips screws and tighten them gently. Do not over-tighten them. After that, slide the visor clip back into place. Now test the remote and make sure everything is working. That's it! Your LiftMaster 373P remote batteries are replaced, and the remote is ready to use.